Oh God, pressure's on now. Cool. Just before we begin, I do want to thank Christine and Lewis for letting me come and talk. It's a lot of fun and I feel like it's a great way to cap off Melbourne Games Week, so huge thanks to you guys. That's really appreciated. Cool, so jump right into it. So my name is Trent, and today we will be going beyond the controller and exploring embodiment in video games. We'll explore how it immerses us in our favorite games, and that's supported by the concepts of catharsis and Lacan's theory of desire. Let's jump right in. So what is embodiment? Embodiment occurs when we become attuned with a character's goals through the game's design, making their world and the objectives feel real to us. The character serves as a transparent means to perceive their environment through, creating a partial interaction between us and the game. We project ourselves through characters like Sonic the Hedgehog, Mario, and Master Chief, embodying their avatars and begin identifying with them. For example, we refer to Mario as I, instead of using the third person and attribute his actions as our own. We would say, I defeated Bowser, rather than saying Mario defeated Bowser. In this way, Mario's experiences become our own. These embodied experiences can alter our relationship with games, allowing us to view the world from the protagonist's perspective and express ourselves through their actions. We engage with the game at a much deeper level, beyond mere observation. Let's have a look now at catharsis. So Aristotle described catharsis as purgation and rebirth into a purified state. And Sigmund Freud later took this concept and focused solely on socially unacceptable drives we need to release, like violence and lust. Games can help us release these drives by defeating enemies, racing to victory, harassing your neighbours, and smashing things to bits, or other similar adjectives that are considered unacceptable in public. While engaging in such a cathartic release, we embody this experience as our own. Catharsis in video games can help us reappraise emotional experiences and deal with frustration and anxiety in adaptive ways. It can make us feel powerful, to give us the confidence to do anything, because it's safe for us to release these drives in game. We immerse ourselves further into the game experience, as it creates an outlet that lets us step into a character's digitalized shoes and release our frustration and anxiety through them. Now let's have a look at desire. Jacques Lacan believed that the more we desire something, the less satisfaction we'll get when we receive that desired outcome. He believed that we're under the illusion that we can become whole by attaining our desire. Instead, desire is sustained, but satisfaction is denied, constantly creating new desires for us to satisfy. In video games, these desires can manifest in various forms. These include new stages, boss battles, side missions, stage rankings, and even collectibles like stars or medals. Take Sonic Unleashed here, for example. That's where I'm up to. Even if we complete the main storyline, there are still lots of things we can do and things to see in the game world. In this case, we're driven to continue pursuing our desires as Sonic the Hedgehog for more power and control over his world, even if our desires can't be satiated, thus embodying ourselves further in this moment. As Brown and Vaughan explain, play provides a continuation of desire. We desire to keep doing it, and the pleasure of this experience drives that desire. If something threatens to stop the fun, we improvise, so play doesn't have to end. These new desires draw us deeper into the game, offering positive feelings like excitement and a sense of fun. As we embody the game character, these desires feel genuine to us, and when games create more desires, we want to play in more and more to satisfy those desires. In conclusion, understanding embodiment allows us to form a deeper connection with the game characters we play as. Catharsis offers a safe space for us to express our emotions and allows us to release our stress and anger in a fun, exciting way. And lastly, the ongoing desires that games present keep us engaged and invested in our journey, thus embodying ourselves in the game characters more and more. Thank you so much for listening to my TED Talk, and I hope you guys learned something.